Hi everyone, thank you for joining me to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the VR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package. As always, we're going to find out together what's inside and how to use this thing. So let's not waste any time, let me grab the Swiss knife, here's the Swiss knife, and we're going to unpackage it. Well, boys and girls, what we have here is the milk frother by a brand named Homgeek. I recently reviewed several coffee machines and it seemed logic to me that I will review milk frothers as well. Until today, I've been using the Aerochino 3 milk frother by Nespresso, which is very popular but also not cheap at all. Since there are many milk frothers sold in the market, I wanted to check them out and hopefully find a more affordable alternative to the Aerochino by Nespresso. This specific milk frother can be found under different labels. It came inside a cardboard box with no details on it, along with the user manual in English and German. The milk frother is consisted of the following parts: a transparent lid that has this removable silicone ring around it, the base that has an 80 cm power cord, and the jug that is made from stainless steel and has a plastic grip that seems to be attached properly and is convenient to hold. Along with the milk frother, you receive two whisks. The one with the metal coil is for frothing the milk and can be used when either you prepare hot or cold milk. The second whisk is used for heating the milk without frothing it. The whisk is placed on this pin that is located at the bottom of the milk frother, and you can notice that the inside of the device has a Teflon coating. You can attach one of the whisks to the lid, but I think that if you'll take it out too many times, there's a great chance that eventually it will break, so I advise you to place the whisks in a safe place. On the inside of the milk frother you can see one min level mark and two max level marks. The lower max level's capacity is 115 ml and is relevant for frothing the milk, while the higher max level's capacity is 240 ml and is relevant for heating the milk without frothing it. You should fill the jug with milk at least as the min level and not more than the relevant max level. This is the power button and these are the light indicators. The lower red indicator is for hot milk, while the top blue indicator is for cold milk. It takes approximately 100 seconds from the moment you press the button until the milk is ready. To prepare hot milk, you should press on the power button and release it immediately, while to froth cold milk you need to keep the button pressed for several seconds. According to the user manual, the device heats up the milk to a temperature of 65 degrees Celsius and cools the milk to -5 degrees Celsius. If you prepare hot milk, both the indicators will show, and when the cycle will be over, the blue indicator will turn off immediately, while the red indicator will blink for 30 seconds before shutting off. If you prepare cold milk, only the blue indicator will show, and when the cycle is over, it will blink for 30 seconds before shutting off. When you finish frothing the milk, it's recommended to wait 2 minutes before frothing once again to allow the thermostat to rest, and I advise you to follow this guidance as the milk frother is intended for home use and not for industrial or commercial use. It's recommended to clean the milk frother right after you finish using it so the milk won't get dry and sticky, which will make it harder to remove those layers later, and it will affect the operation of the device in the future. What I usually do is use some water with soap, then I turn the device on hot frothing mode, and when it's done I wash it with water and let the device dry. Now that you know how this device works and should be treated, let's go to the bottom line. If you're looking for an affordable milk frother, I believe you'll be very happy with this one. It's easy to operate, easy to clean, and I didn't notice any major difference in the milk's taste or texture compared to the Nespresso Original. It is a bit bulky, and you should keep in mind that the stainless steel gets dirty easily. The overall build quality is okay, but the question is how it will last over time, especially in the control button/indicators area, the grips attachment, and the lid's whisk holder. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review about this milk frother by Homgeek. For further information about this item, please check the description to the video, and if you still have any questions about it, please comment on this video, and I will do my best to come up with an answer. If this video review was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to like this video. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channels, OVR Fashion, OVR Kids, Original Video Reviews, and of course this channel, OVR Chef. You can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Amazon, etc. So there's plenty of ways for you to follow original video reviews. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!